The body of missing British teen found in bushes in 4 Parts, Clarendon.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The Maypen High School is now in mourning following the murder of a 17-year-old Stefica Smith of Strawberry Hill, 4 Parts in Clarendon. Smith is the third schoolgirl to have been killed in the past 4 weeks. 8-year-old Shantae Skyes was found murdered in Stirling Castle, St. Andrew on April 16th, and 11-year-old Trisha Morris was found in the pond area of the Woodlands district in Hanover on April 30. Stefica went missing on Saturday, May 11, after she was last seen boarding a taxi in 4 Parts. The teen's body was found on Monday morning, May 13th, in a cane field. Her face was reportedly bashed in and her throat slashed. Smith was born in England, but came to Jamaica when her parents returned home. Reports are that a taxi operator has since been taken into custody in connection with the investigation.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.